Hey there! Before we get to dancing, I wanted to find out what gets you motivated during COVID-19. Is it dancing?
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7.
Keep taking our online classes. That means so much to us. For me, it's really hard. It's very hard to even put my clothes on and put my makeup on and come here to do the videos for you. But once I do it, I feel much better because I know I'm helping you. So keep watching, put those comments below, let me know what you want me to teach you. Today, we're going to be working on beginner level 1 salsa with a virtual partner. All right, so before we get to the pattern, there's some critical moves that we're always studying in beginner level 1 salsa. The first move is outside crossbody lead. For the leads, the footwork looks the same as crossbody lead. So we step forward on our left. 1, we make way for our partner. 2, 3, and then we come back. 5, 6, 7, our partner is here. Once again, from this side, 1, step to the side, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. To signal an outside crossbody lead, we're gonna step forward to the side, 3, and then from here, we're gonna lift the left hand up and she's going to go under. 5, 6, 7. Follows your footwork for outside crossbody lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. So your turn is on 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. The other move that we're going to include in our pattern is broken left turn. Another foundational move in beginner level 1 salsa. Footwork for the lead. We're going to start with a basic step. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Finish with a turn. 5, 6, 7. For the follower, the footwork looks like that, starting with our right. 1, 2, 3, basic, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, now we begin. 5, 6, to the side. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So did you notice that the footwork for the lead takes 1 less 8 count than the footwork for the follow? So let's review that again. For the lead, we have starting on our left on 1, straight into broken left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. For the follow, we need to start with a half a basic. 1, 2, 3, then begin the broken left. 5, 6, 7. In order for us to come back and face our partner, we have to complete a turn. 1, 2, 3, and finish the 8 count. 5, 6, 7. Now that we have reviewed our moves, we can start with our pattern. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, basic step. 6, 7, outside crossbody lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. From here, the broken left turn. 1, 2, toss the hand, grab, catch the left hand. 5, 6, 7. From here, she's turning. 1, 2, 3. The same hand that I'm holding is going over my head and rests on my neck. So I'm holding her like that, and we complete the move. 5, 6, 7. At the same time, I'm reaching for this hand and taking this one down. And I go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. From here, what I want to do is the same outside crossbody lead, but with a turn and a half for the follow. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna lift my hand on 3 and do 5, 6, 7. So let's look at the difference. With the regular crossbody lead, we had 1, 2, and the arm goes at this level right here, right? And then only at 5, 6, 7 is when you lift the hand for the outside turn. 5, 6, 7. Now, if you were to lead an outside crossbody lead with a turn, it's a turn and a half, you are going to give that signal on 3. So on 3, 1, 2, lift the hand up on 3, and here you start the turn. 5, 6, 7. Let's put it all together. 5, 6, basic, and 1, 2, 3, 5. Outside crossbody lead, regular. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic step. 5, 6, 7. Broken left. 2, toss. 5, 6, 7. Turn and hug. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Outside crossbody lead with a turn and a half. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We're done. Fellows, we're gonna try this with a virtual partner, although it's not that easy, but let's give it a shot. 5, 6, 7, basic step. 5, here we go. Outside crossbody, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. Here goes our broken left. 1, 2. They toss our right hand from here. We're gonna do a little trick though. We're gonna have to meet this hand to that left to left on 5. That's where the broken left starts. 5, 6, 7. From here, he's gonna give us a turn. 1, 2, 3, and kind of give us a hug. And then 5, 6, 7, and he's gonna let go and then start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Our turn and a half crossbody lead. 1, 2, 3. So he's gonna lift the hand on 3. Remember, that's your signal. If he's here, then you're walking forward for a regular outside crossbody lead. If he's here, you're doing multiple turns. So 1, 2, up, left, right, left, and 1, 2, 3. Some great tips how to continue practicing your footwork. When we teach at the studio, we teach at several levels. We start at absolute beginner, beginner level 1, level 2, then intermediate 1 and intermediate 2. I've already given you some virtual partner tips on absolute beginner. Now we did beginner level 1. So hopefully you can keep practicing at home. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe so you can catch the next video. In the meantime, keep taking our online classes during COVID-19, and I hope to see you in the studio when we open doors, hopefully in June.